So what's the biggest thing that you would have want to do all over again if you could do it again?
The biggest thing is I would have spent every last dime of my money just buying every piece of real estate that I could. Once again, I came in thinking buy one, fix it up, buy another, fix it up, when I should have just bought them all and just buy and wait, and eventually, obviously, they get fixed up, that's the biggest thing that I would do that was different, is that I just would have purchased. So, and because what happens here is that, the real estate market, fluctuates, right? It goes up and down at times. Obviously you want it to go up, and that's the property value. So if you're buying properties where the price of the homes are incredible and you can afford them, then you need to buy them all right now, because 2 years down the line, they might not be that price.
I mean, yeah, you're definitely right. I mean, I think you brought up another solid point about if you have equity in a home, I mean, that's probably more valuable than going to the bank. I mean, you really essentially have access to this money that you're sitting on. And if you know you can kind of turn that money into an asset, then it's going to pay for itself. So it only makes sense.
Yeah, I think people got to understand that, having money is great. Don't get me wrong. But having money working for you is the best. I listened to Warren Buffett. He said, they asked him a question, something like, would you rather have more cash or more businesses? He said, I'd rather have more revenue generating businesses than cash. And when he said that, it makes sense, because, that's why I'm a buy and holder, right? Because, I buy, I fix, I hold, because I want that monthly income coming in. I call it the ding, right? Because it's a special thing, man. And that's the reason why I'm so happy all the time, right? So anytime you hear my phone go ding, that means that there is a payment that came.
Yes.
So, and what I like to do, this is another strategy to make you feel good, because it's all about feeling good, right?
Yeah.
The better you feel, the more productive you are. So I like to put people in the first. I like to put people in the 15th, and people are paying on. So some people pay on the first, some people pay on the third, some people pay on the 5th, right? And then so your phone just dinging all through the first of the month, and then around the 15th. Your phone dinging again, because you people are paying the 16th, people are paying the 17th, people paying
nice.
the 16th. And you got these dings, and every time they go ding, you can see this right here. Because it's like, okay, great, there's more money in the bank, and one of the more powerful things, really, another thing I failed to mention was the first property that I purchased, the cash flow on that property is unbelievable. And I took maybe about three vacations, like long weekend vacations, which was taking money at the end of the day. And I noticed that all the money that I was using was basically from the rental property, and I didn't touch any of my income. I actually went on 4 vacations. At the end of the year, I saved more money.
That's crazy.
That's what really like, oh my God, we got to get more.
Yeah, definitely. And as to your point, it becomes an addiction for sure.